socks, whether they're knee high, thigh high, or just over the ankles. Sometimes they look cute and that's why people wear them. Sometimes it's just because it keeps their legs warm. But they all have a problem. They fall down. So ladies, gentlemen and all variations thereupon, today I'm going to do a very quick video on how you can stop your socks from constantly sliding down using nothing more. So today, ladies, gentlemen and all variations thereupon, I'm going to show you how you can... So today, ladies, gentlemen and all variations thereupon, I'm going to show you how you can stop your socks from sliding down using nothing more than an old pair of tights, some needles, and a bit of sewing. So wear your tights or pantyhose if you're American, as you normally would, and when you put your socks on, ensure that the top of the socks rests where you want it to relative to the waistband. If you constantly keep your waistband in the same place, then you know that the socks are going to be comfortably in the place that you like to wear your socks. Then carefully pin the socks to the tights. With that all done, now we hop over to the sewing machine. What a lot of people don't realise is that with most sewing machines, the bottom part can be taken off so that we have a smaller area over which to slide a project like this. And what we want to do is place the tights and socks over this bottom section of the sewing machine, being one layer of the sock and one layer of the nylon underneath the needle, so that we don't sew one side to the other. And then we're going to sew it in place just by rotating the socks and tights around. Now, as this is a knit material, we want to ensure that there's some stretch in the material as we're sewing. So if you have a thinner base to your sewing machine than I do, then you may want to apply that manually with your hands as you sew. And then once everything's sewn up, we can reach into the sock and pull out the unneeded piece of tights, and then just cut it off. And there we have it, socks that will stay up no matter how much you move.